Oh, hi everyone. I'm Justin, co-founder of Sparsity. Now back into the previous slide. First, I want to thank Professor Ajun and all the mentors and organizers who worked so hard to make this accelerator happen. It's a truly honor to be here. I'm very looking forward to sharing and learning with everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new paradigm of computing, sparse computing, designed for support the next generation of large-scale decentralized application. Our network, Sparsity, brings the best of cloud and blockchain together for truly verifiable, scalable computing. My background is in AI and parallel computing, which I studied and researched at MIT. I'm currently teaching cryptography and zero-knowledge proof at NTU Singapore. Previously, I was the head of threat intelligence in CERTIC, analyzing DeFi attacks with a team of 20. I also built large-scale consumer systems at Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Snapchat. Our team brings deep crypto engineering and go-to-market expertise. We believe that we are the best team at building large-scale, scalable, and secure infrastructure targeted at consumer applications. Let's start from the opportunities. Multi-trillion-dollar markets, e-commerce, gaming, social networks, agent network, and search are waiting to be decentralized. So what does all these applications have in common? They require concurrent computation over networks of data. Today's blockchain infrastructure, however, does not support this. Why not? This is because today's blockchain assumes dense networks. Every wallet can talk to every other wallet in any block. Any transaction can touch any state, any part of the state. This makes parallelization almost impossible. In real world, however, most of the networks are sparse. In social network, for example, you can talk to anyone in the world, but you don't. You only talk to a few hundred of them. In payment network, you can pay anyone in the world, but you don't. You only pay a few dozens of them. Utilizing this sparse structure is critical to make computation scalable. And that's exactly how the internet scales. It is not supported by today's blockchains. That's why we built Sparsity, the first sparse computing infrastructure. It sits between blockchain and cloud. On one side, it uses blockchain for trustless settlement. On the other side, it connects to blockchain connects to the cloud to tap into its vast existing pool of resources. Sparsity sits in the middle, providing parallel, verifiable, high throughput compute over sparse data structures. So here is how it works. At the base layer, there is a fleet of POS nodes. On top of that, developer can spin up verifiable, lightweight, verifiable compute instances on demand. These instances can be composed, scheduled, partitioned, and verified. Then on top of that, there are sparsity services, decentralized sequencer, TLS relayer, open source AI models, to name a few, all plug and play. On top of these three layers, the developer built applications to talk to the user in real time, settle to chain, and seamlessly talk to the cloud. Let's look at a few use cases. The first one is agent networks. We are working with a few top-tier partners, design partners, the Kite AI network, the AG2 framework from Google DeepMind, and a sci-fi IP with 15 million global audience. they all need to run trillions of AI agents that can talk, act, and plan together. So this is naturally sparse. And on Sparsity, we can spin up compute for each agent or each group of agents, let them run in parallel and settle on chain. The AI agent can also talk to Sparsity to utilize verifiable model inference and verifiable tools. Here is a demo, a snapshot of demo of a network of agents operating collaboratively. On the left, each cell in the grid is a verifiable compute instance. These instances run in parallel, interact with each other, and depend on each other. On the right side, you can see how this parallel computation can settle on chain in the form of a hash graph. Here, each vertical column is an instance, and each edge is a dependency. As you scale up, the network expands. So 10,000 AI agents with 200,000 TPS, transaction per second. And the system remains responsive, verifiable, and composable. This is the power of tapping into sparse structures. It scales indefinitely. Let's look at another example, large-scale on-chain logic. One of our partners, a leading layer 1, needs to run a very expensive computation over a massive amount of data. Running this computation on-chain would choke the network. Instead, this computation can be run on Sparsity verifiably and settle back to their chain. So the result is that they can achieve 1,000 times faster and cheaper with full privacy and compliance. We are currently working with over 30 design partners, and we are looking to help more people. If you are building something ambitious and decentralized, and you feel that you are constrained by the current infra, we would love to help. Sparsity uses the SPAR token. The SPAR token has 4 roles: security, a stake token to secure the fleet; utility and revenue, people pay for the compute and services; governance, token holders can lock to vote and share the revenue; and last but not least, bootstrapping in the system to incentivize early adopters and builders. We already have a bare minimal DevNet 1.0 release, so please give it a try. The next, we will advance in a 3 effort that goes hand in hand. Ensure the success of our customers, release testnet and engage the builder community, and they release the economic layer, including staking, revenue, payment governance, and the upcoming token mechanism. We are building in public and moving fast. We would love you to be part of it. We graduated from the A16Z accelerator before, and we are currently raising our next round of funding. If you are interested, let's talk. Please join us to unlock the future of sparse computing and help bring a truly decentralized large-scale application to life. Thank you.